How to add and set up exercise mode on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on mode and routines. So after you click on mode and routines, so you will see exercises here, so click on exercise. So after click on exercise, so if you want to set up and add exercise mode, so click on start. So after click on start, you will see during exercise, and you will see, and click on app open. You will see app open from here. So after select apps and click on done and click on during exercise and start, you will see, so after the process, click on next and you will select do not disturb and next, and play music from here, Spotify, YouTube, and after select, click on media voices. You will increase and add, click on done. Sound mode and volume, you will see increase and decrease adding. So after adding, click on done and click on done, and you will see, and you will turn on or turn off exercise mode from here. So you will add open apps from here. So during exercise, health from here. So place from here, add location, time period. So you will see add month, week, event, day, anything from here, and click on done. And after a process, click on done. After the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can add and set up exercise mode on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.